y'all, hey, it's Levion and welcome back to another cleaning motivational video. In today's video, I'm just showing you guys how I like to stay on top of things with my daughter doing her virtual learning. I do like to make sure chores around the house are done. Now, I don't clean every day, but I do like to make sure that I do tackle something in the house as far as maybe one day laundry, the other day doing my bathrooms or just whatever. I just do like to make sure that everything is done, but again, I don't do everything all in one day, just to kind of for my own sanity anyway. I do make my beds though, because I feel like once your bed is made, it does help your room look a little neater, and also too with you being home, it kind of not make you want to get back in the bed. So stick around. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and again, thank you so much for the continued support. I really appreciate it. So here is Callie. She's done with one of her virtual learning classes, and now we're just rocking out. Yes, get it. She just got a new Alexa, the kids version, and I think she just told Alexa to play some music, and Alexa played some jams, and we were just going in. Yes, get it. Hey. Yeah, my daughter just loves to dance. So that's what she's doing. She's kind of like entertaining you guys while I'm cleaning her room. And yeah, we're just going in. So that's what I'm doing, just kind of dusting off her dresser, just making sure everything is, nice and cleared for her. So, in the evening time after dinner, she can just go ahead and relax and, prepare for the next day. So I'm just definitely blowing Callie's whole mood. I told her that she needed to help me clean her toys and clean her room, then she can finish dancing until her break is over. Of course, she was not having it, but hey, look, I feel like you make the mess, you can at least help clean it up. And yes, guys, you do see me putting away a costume. The other day, Callie wore her costume to class. She said they were having a superhero day. I didn't even question it. I'm the type of parent who just likes to go ahead and allow their kids to just have a free spirit. I know last year Callie was Tinkerbell, and she wore her costume to her birthday lunch that we had, and she also wore the same costume to pick out her Christmas tree. So I am, like I said, all for it. I encourage it. I think, if you have children who, like to be different and just, live out their best and wildest dreams, I think you should just allow that. So yeah, I'm that mom that, allows her kid to walk around Walmart or Costco with their costume on. So anyway, moving on to the bathrooms. I'm just cleaning this up really quick. I'm just doing a really quick wipe down in my bathrooms. Again, I do believe that my bathroom should always be clean. Of course, with everyone using them, I do feel like everything should be always nice and clean. And another thing, guys, don't be afraid to clean your bathrooms. I mean, it does have to be clean. You have to clean it. It is okay. So I do like to get down to the nitty gritty of always just putting some elbow grease into those bathrooms. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. Just going in and making sure that everything is nice and clean. And guys, like I said, every day I don't, do the same chores over and over again, except my bed. But on days that, you just don't feel like cleaning, or you just had a lot to do, with the kids, or even just working, for yourself, don't feel so obligated to get everything done. Take some time out for yourself, order a pizza for dinner if you have to, and just kind of chill and relax and, pull yourself together for the next day. I mean, you do not have to feel like everything needs to be done at once. And I am definitely taking my own advice, because I am one of those people who, do like to feel like everything needs to be done, everything needs to be clean, but you do, wear yourself out really fast, with thinking like that. So again, like I said, maybe make a schedule on Mondays and Wednesdays, maybe do laundry, on Thursdays and Fridays, maybe do the bathrooms, or, maybe a deeper clean on the weekends, whatever you have to do to make sure that, again, your home is clean. You do have that motivation. Of course, you're watching Extremely Modest for that motivation, but also to, you're in a good space to actually, clean and make sure your family and everything is good. So guys, take that advice. Don't feel like everything needs to be done all at once and at that same day. Break it up in parts, and that self-care is always important. Right along to my bedroom. I am not dusting or doing my bathroom. I just did not feel like it. So it's going to have to wait on the next go round when I do my cleaning, and it'll be okay. Okay. So yeah, so just making my bed, and I am going to vacuum my room, and that'll be it for my room. Like I said, keeping it nice and simple during the week, not overstressing myself, because self-care is where it's at, baby. So yes, that's what I'm doing, making my bed and vacuuming, and there you go. if you're not new to my channel, you know that I always use the Snuggle fabric spray. You know, I swear by that stuff. But Costco has had the Febreze spray. It's like buy two and then like you take an additional $2 off. So yeah, so I had to take advantage of that because sometimes it's all about a sale, honey. So yeah, so we'll be using the Febreze spray, which is also really good. I do like the Febreze spray as well. It's just that the Snuggle spray smells amazing. So yeah, so we're gonna be using the Febreze until I guess that sale is off at Costco. I don't know, honey. My living room is the last chore that I decided to do for the day, and that's just me just cleaning off my tabletop, my bookshelf, fixing up my pillows on my couch, and vacuuming. That will be it for my chores. And guys, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope I was also able to give you guys some motivation, you know, while watching this video. As always, I do appreciate you guys watching my videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment on anything that you would like, you know, give me a shout out, let me know how you're making out doing the virtual learning and also working from home or just working out of the home as well. I would love to hear, you know, how you're coping with everything. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification so that way you'll be notified when I do make my next video. All right, guys, thank you. Take care.